Congratulations on being selected for the DV-2026 Diversity Visa Program. Today, let me tell you one of the most critical next steps is filling out the DS-260 Immigrant Visa Application form. This form is legally binding. Every answer must be complete, correct, and honest. Very important. You should fill out and submit the DS-260 form yourself. No one knows your life details better than you. By doing it yourself, you'll fully understand and remember what you entered, which helps later during your visa interview. Do not ask an agent, friend, or third-party agency to do it for you. If you need support, please feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to help you. Also note, the form times out if you're inactive for too long. Make sure to save your progress often to avoid losing any information. Let's go through the DS-260 step by step. To begin the DS-260, go to the website ceac.state.gov, then click on DS-260, Online Immigrant Visa and Alien Registration Application. You'll need your case number and DV entrance confirmation number with your name, date of birth to log in. Once you're inside, you'll see your case and can start the application. First, the personal section, which has two parts, Personal 1 and Personal 2. You'll enter your full name, date and place of birth, nationality, passport details, and marital status. Make sure everything matches exactly with your passport and your original DV entry. Next is address and phone. Here you provide your current residential address, your mailing address, phone numbers, and email. Use an email address you check often. It's how the U.S. government will contact you. Now, the U.S. permanent address. This is where your green card will be mailed after you arrive in the U.S. You can use the home of a friend or family member or the address where you plan to live. Just make sure it's a real, valid address that can receive mail. Next is family information. You must list your parents, spouse, and all children, even if they are not applying with you. Leaving out a family member can cause serious problems or disqualification. And here's something very important. If you're married or if you have children under 21 years old, you must complete a separate DS-260 form for each family member. This includes your spouse and each child one by one. They cannot immigrate with you unless they have their own completed DS-260. Then comes previous U.S. travel. List all your past visits to the United States, including visa types, dates, and any refusals or overstays. Be honest. The government can check this information. Now we move to work, education, and training. List your current and previous jobs, education history, and any special training or military service. This section shows that you meet the DV program's eligibility based on work or education. Next is security and background. You'll answer a series of yes or no questions about your medical history, criminal background, immigration violations, and other sensitive topics. It's very important to be honest here. Giving false answers can lead to a permanent ban from the U.S. Finally, the Social Security number section. You'll be asked if you want a Social Security number to be issued automatically when you arrive. It's a good idea to say yes. It saves you time after you enter the United States. And that's it. Double-check everything before submitting. After submitting, print out the confirmation number for all the family members. You will need to bring it with you during the visa interview. This is your official petition to live in the United States. Be accurate, save often, and take it seriously. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon in the U.S.